Hi guys, Julia here, also known as Lospekia on YouTube and Instagram and The Mirror Beauty on TikTok, and today I want to talk about the Nyx Epic Wear eyeliners. This video is about the liquid ones, but if you're curious about the Nyx Epic Wear eyeliner sticks, I got you covered. I already have a video on those, including the tricky part on how to sharpen them. Just check the links in the description box. Here is what the packaging looks like, and I have these eyeliners in white, black and blue, and as for white and black, I'm wearing it on my eyes. I also filmed a quick tutorial on how I applied it so that you can just see for yourself how opaquely they glide on. Let me show you a close-up. Whoa! Let's do some quick hand swatches first, and then I will show you how they applied on my eyes. Pretty opaque, huh? Now just let them dry a little bit, maybe for about a minute. As you can see, they become completely matte when they dry, and let's now try to budge them. Nothing on my finger. I think you can see that I apply force here. And well, the blue budged the tiniest bit, I guess because it just didn't dry down. So these babies know how to grip onto your skin. And I also did a wear test of the blue eyeliner before. You have guys already seen how opaquely they glide on the hand and on the eyes with the eyeshadow. And as for the wear test, in case you are watching me for the first time and you don't know me, I have very oily lids. So if something lasts on me, it will last on everyone. And I was testing the blue eyeliner. I drew my wing with this eyeliner with no primer, no setting powder, nothing at all. And I have been wearing it for the whole day and it did not budge, it did not crack, it did nothing wrong at all. So I'm really amazed by the quality of these eyeliners, by their opaqueness, by how well they last and don't crack at the same time. And my only slight problem with them is that I think the brush is a little bit too thick. So if you want to draw a really sharp wing, if you want to draw a really fine line, you might want to use another brush and just dip it in that eyeliner, because this one is a bit too blunt. But honestly, for a drugstore eyeliner, for an affordable price that they offer, I think this is a great purchase. I would definitely recommend them, and I'm even considering probably buying some other colors myself. If you guys enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up and share my channel with a friend who loves colorful makeup. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss the new videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, loves!